Okay, here we are, guys. This is another screencast looking specifically at how we write an executive summary. Now, this task really should fall down to the CEO. However, it's always good for everyone to know. So, if we just move on, um, the first thing to note about an executive summary is the key bit in the title. It is a summary, okay? What the purpose of the executive summary is that if someone picks up your business plan, your extensive business plan of 40, 50, 60, 70 pages, rather than them having to read through everything, they can look on the first page and there is a summary, an overview of what the business is all about. Okay, there is an overview of the business plan. Okay, that is the purpose of it. Okay, the way in which it is structured is usually in that overview there's some discussions of the key decisions that have been made in creating the product and the business. So it could be where you got the idea of the product from. It could be what specific messages came through from your market research. It could be what you decided in terms of your unique selling point. What key things you found out in terms of your 4Ps, where you finance it from, those type of ideas. An easy way to structure this is have separate paragraphs detailing decisions of marketing, your communications, your finance, production, operations. There's no right or wrong way of doing this. You can structure it how you wish. This is quite insignificant, all right? But the key bit is it's got to be an overview, all right? So when I come to those business plans and I've got a market, I want to be able to skim read straight away that executive summary and go bang, right, they're producing soap, they're producing candles, okay? They are producing the cure for coronavirus, whatever it might be, but I've got an idea straight away, okay? One thing I also point out is this bit in the past I've seen is very often being written as if you're trying to sell it to me. You're trying to sell me the product or sell me the business. That's not the point of it, okay? You are to be very objective and just say this is what's happening and these are the decisions that are made. You're not trying to say, look, we have got the greatest product. It's going to give you value for money. It's high quality. I don't want to know about that. I'm not a customer. Largely with an executive summary, the people that tend to read these would be investors, would be people who work in a bank, who are going to be organizing loans, that type of idea. It's not usually for customers. Customers can read it, but we don't tend to. All right. The last bit, this really is the duty of the CEO. However, if, as we've always said, if the CEO isn't available or can't do it or for whatever reason, then other people need to step up and do it, okay? Written by the CEO, and it is the last thing, okay? I can't stress this enough. Maybe I do apologize, I've probably not said this, but it's got to be the last thing that's done. And the reason why it's the last, because it's once all the decisions have been made, okay? Once they've been made, then you can start saying your summary, because if you write your summary at the beginning, the chances are a lot of things that you are going to change your mind on. So really, it's probably the last task of the whole business plan is to write this, and then hopefully you're just going to be going on to make a sale. Now, as an example, let's have a look at what comes next. Let me just double check. There's nothing, no other slide. I think no, okay, and we'll go to find out an example. So this was from 3-4 years ago again. As we can see straight away, that's really clear. Okay, provide rings. Oh, let me put that on again. If I can do this one, is it PDF? No, okay, so bear with. So what we can see here is that they're saying, okay, provide rings and necklaces. Okay, I've got an idea. Okay, so they're saying where it comes from, the price. I would say they probably didn't need to say that one. So what they're saying is this is how they're sourced the information. They've put their mission in there. I don't think I'd necessarily put it in here, but maybe, yeah. Okay. So they're talking description of their businesses, they're talking about how they're doing their packaging, their price, they're talking about their store logo, okay. Um, they're talking about how they're promoting it, the people in their business, the finance, operations, okay. So they're probably not strictly stuck to that whole idea of the departments, but that's a very brief overview, and that's not bad. And if I remember rightly, this one did score quite well. I think probably you got, I think you might have got an excellence. I'm not sure, but between, from my eyes, I'd say probably between merit, maybe just get scraping into an excellence there. Yeah, so, and probably what I didn't mention as well, it's written by the CEO, it's done last, and really nothing more than a page. That's all I wanted. Okay, guys. So there we go. That is your